Aging may look physical, but at its core, it is informational. Inside every cell, DNA carries instructions for life. Over time, these instructions become misread, damaged, or silenced. Science now believes aging is not caused by time itself, but by lost biological information. Recent research shows that cells don't forget how to be young. They simply stop receiving the correct signals. Through epigenetics, scientists are learning how to switch genes on and off without altering DNA itself. Artificial intelligence plays a critical role here. By analyzing massive genetic datasets, AI can identify which biological instructions trigger aging and which preserve youth. This allows precise, personalized interventions never before possible. Inspired by nature, bio-inspired technologies mimic immune systems, self-repairing tissues, and regenerative organisms. Instead of fighting biology, science is now learning from it. The future vision is radical: a human body whose biological age can be measured, managed, and stabilized. Aging would no longer be inevitable, it would be optional, but this future raises profound questions. If humans stop aging, how does society change? What does life mean when time no longer limits the body? This is not science fiction, this is the direction science is moving, rewriting life itself. What happens when aging is no longer inevitable? A world without aging would reshape everything: careers, families, society, and the meaning of time itself. Humans would no longer be defined by the number of years they've lived, but by the choices they make. But with great power comes deep responsibility. If science allows us to slow or stop aging, difficult questions arise. How do we manage population growth? Who gets access to these technologies? And how do we ensure progress benefits humanity, not just a few? Scientists emphasize that the real goal is not immortality, the goal is health, a longer life free from disease, pain, and decline. Bio-inspired technology teaches us something important: nature doesn't chase endless life, it perfects balance, repair, and resilience. The future of aging will not be decided by one invention, one lab, or one moment. It will be shaped by how wisely humanity uses science. Aging may not disappear overnight, but for the first time in history, it is no longer unquestionable. The question is no longer if science can change aging, the question is how we choose to use that power. When aging ends, life doesn't stop, it transforms. Humanity would no longer rush against time, learning would deepen, creativity would evolve, experience would compound instead of fading. But evolution itself may change. If the body no longer weakens, does natural selection pause? Or does humanity begin a new kind of evolution, guided by intelligence rather than survival? Yet the deepest question is not scientific, it is philosophical. If life has no end, what gives it meaning? Is it time or purpose? Bio-inspired technology reminds us that nature never seeks infinity, it seeks harmony, repair, balance, and adaptation. Technology is only a tool, it does not define our future, our choices do. A world without aging could be humanity's greatest achievement, or its greatest test. The future is not about living forever, it is about living wisely. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment below. Share this video so more people can see it, and don't miss our next informative videos.